Hey, what is going on, legends? This is Rowan from OptimizeFX. Welcome to another episode. Actually, over 20 episodes of this series in itself. But welcome to another one. This is the midweek update. We've got some robots, some new ones that we would like to update. Well, I'd like to update you all on. And as we can see on the chart here, we have not Bunny, but Baby Shark. That is just absolutely killing it. Just killing it. See, this curve is starting to curve. Ooh, beautiful. And then we've got Forex Fury, which is really struggling. PFX, which is one of the newish ones, it's going quite well. Erin's 5k. Then we've got Bunny, which is going quite well. And Island, Sky Blue, Make Money, Good Arrow. They're there, but they're new, so we can't really see much of a line there on the chart. But we can have a look at some data down here just quickly. So we've got Make Money. It's a negative $83 at the moment. Good Arrow is negative 28. Erin's up 2,600 with a drawdown of 10%. Good Arrow had a drawdown of 71%. I'm not sure if that's correct, but it might be. Make Money, drawdown of 12%. Erin's Baby Shark has made 7k with a drawdown of 53.53, so it hasn't got any higher than that since it started. So if you're new to the channel, that drawdown happened in the first 2 weeks. Sky Blue has made $420, 420, blaze it, with a drawdown of 59.82%, so that's pretty big. And Bunny is actually experiencing some drawdown now at 51.33%, but it's made $673. Stabilizer still hasn't had any more drawdown than 7.73. That's been like that for a while, but it's made 422. PFX has got to 38.57% drawdown, but has made $1,863. So that is going really well, but it is running quite a few pairs. Might be not so great. Not so fair, I mean, so for, other ones, other robots. Scalper, Euro USD 1 minute. It's made 176 with a 4.58% drawdown. That's interesting. Forex Pro Island, drawdown 11.6%, but negative $46, so I'm not sure why it hasn't made money. Ranger 6.47 has made $20. And Forex Fury, 62% drawdown max, and it's back to $1,278 profit. So it is actually, unfortunately, it has lost a fair bit of money. But you get that. Now let's quickly go to these 6 charts. So we've got Sky Blue here. Not really much to talk about. It has just been trading phenomenally the whole time it has been going. I've just been trading GU and EU, and that's it. AUD USD is the MyFX book publisher, if you're wondering what that one is. And it uploads statements every 5 minutes for all of the robots that I've going, all 12 of them. So that data I just showed you was very much up to date. Now I've fixed all that up. But yeah, Sky Blue is going great. Absolutely great. So it has, if we have a look here though, Sky Blue. It has had a drawdown of 59.82%, so I'm not sure about that. Even it's only running 2 pairs. But yes, here we go. This is what I wanted to see. So Bunny went really well, but it is now caught. It's on the M5 time frame. It is now caught in a downtrend on Euro USD, and it's run out of margin. So free margin is a negative 170% at the moment. It's not able to open any more trades, and it's negative $478. So it's, if I close everything out right now, you'd actually still be in profit, and you wouldn't be. If it was a real account, you'd probably be margin called by now. I'm not too sure what the margin level is when you get margin call and it starts closing trades. I think it's about 50%. So if your profit gets to 50% of your balance, or your drawdown, or 40% sometimes, it will start closing trades, no matter on the margin. So I'm very interested to see what happens here. Euro USD does not have to go up that much higher for it to close out. So it's only going to go up to 1.8, 1.179. I don't know where that is, but 1.179. Say, let's say 4. You know, there's 7.5 there, so it might be 4. Doesn't have to go up that far, but you know, right now it's not looking good. And I think, what was this, 28th? This was this morning. So this morning I was getting an email for margin call on, or running out of margin on an account. So I think it was this one. And yeah, this is not a real account. But it's weird that you get emails on a demo account saying that you've run out of margin, because usually it doesn't. You know, it's a demo account, they don't really care. You blow it or you don't. But yes, we'll see what happens there. So it was going really, really well. It made $722, but it is caught in this trend. And it wasn't a very big trend. It's actually leveled out right now. It just, you know, USD gained strength against the euro. It come down, but it might come back up and close, and everything will be good, or we might blow the account. I'm not exactly sure what's going to happen with this one, but right now it's not in a good space. FX stabilizer, we've been there. Sky, no, yes, we haven't been here. Yeah, not much to really say. It's just been trading really, really well. It's a very slow robot, very slow. Are we doing auto lots? Yeah, we're doing auto risk. Risk limit, I've changed that in backtest. It does absolutely nothing. But if you change this to true, it does do way bigger lots. Because that's probably when it would run on a cent account. But I'll leave it as it is. FX Pro Island, I'm running all of these pairs except for AUD USD. Oops. Running all of these pairs. And yeah, it hasn't really made any money, which is disappointing, because it was making money on my other account. So we're at $1.29 profit right now. Hallelujah. Well, we'll see what happens there. Make money is lost money. I'm not sure what to do with this one. It just seems to be not trading, and when it trades it either makes money or it loses it, and we're sticking around with a bit of loss. So it hasn't got any trades open, so I'm interested to see maybe if I can find a better set, but I'll see what happens. And PFX Forex Scalper, we're down $151 right now, but we have an account balance of $2,862. So that drawdown is actually not too bad, considering the size of the account. Euro AUD's down. You know, we have a few pairs that are in drawdown. So Euro USD is one of them. Euro AUD and Euro CHF, every single one of them. But Euro Pound, no. Interestingly enough. And Euro CAD, no as well. So that is this 6 pairs. I'll quickly load up the other ones, and I'll see you in the next section. Yo, okay, so we are back with the other 6 pairs that are in the challenge. So the first one we have here is EA Good Arrow Indicator, running Euro USD, and we are $1.32 in profit. So you can see all the trades. It did lose a little bit of money last week, at the start of the week or last week, but now it's come back. So I didn't mind that. I didn't mind it. You know, it sucks that you lose a little bit of money, but it's good that it's kind of coming back now. So we'll see. Didn't get caught on that big drop on Euro USD, so we'll see how it goes over the next half of the week. Aaron's is in a bit of drawdown, not too crazy though. So you know, $100 is nothing on $7,639 account. And Baby Shark does not have any trades open, didn't get caught in that Euro USD move down, and we can see here the trades where it closed out. You know, this is where it closed out that big move up on Euro USD, which happened late last week or the week before, and it went into a fair bit of drawdown, but not heaps of drawdown, and ended up closing everything at a profit. Same with here. Closed here, closed here. What was it doing? Yeah, sells, and then there's a buy here as well, so that's interesting. So it hasn't got any positions open right now. And oh, by the way, the author for Baby Shark has also got another one called White Shark. I thought I'd mention this, and you can find it on the MQL5 marketplace. And it is less risk than this robot. It is less risk. So it doesn't trade as, you know, as crazy as what Baby Shark does. It is less profit, but it is also less risk, and that's not a bad thing at all. I think it's still like $599 on the MQL5. But you can do a demo, or you can rent it if you want to give it a go. Yeah, if you're interested in that, I thought I'd just mention that one. Euro Scalper is scalping away at, you know, we've got a balance at $1,262, and yeah, it's going really, really well. That's all I've really got to say about it. So maybe my FX book, I need to put the date back a little bit more to include the profits that it's made. And Forex Fury, unfortunately, has just, you know, it was going really, really well, and it's just suffered a whole heap of losses lately. GU, EU. So GU and EU were the really big losses, and then USD CHF. So, and then GU and AU. So, would I recommend Forex Fury? Probably not right now, and the reason being is, sure, it could make some money, but you could also lose it really quickly, and you lose more than you gain. So we'll see what happens with these positions here. USD CHF, we have some open positions. But yeah, I haven't really talked to anyone that has had really good success with Forex Fury, even though it showed really good results. I am running stupid crazy settings, so like, yeah, you know, like 7 trades open, and the risk is, I think, it's still at 20%. Yeah, so you wouldn't do that on a live account. I just thought I'd see what had happened. So maybe what I might do, see how these trades pan out. What I might do is change it to how you would trade it on a live account. I may only open like 1 or 2 trades and see how that goes. And next we have the Ranger, the one that it said it made $18 or $20, but it's actually made $32 if everything started at $0,000, which is not too shabby. This is only running dynamic. It's running a dynamic lot size of 1% risk. So it's saying here, so it's starting at 0.1 lots on 1%, with a $10,000 account with 1 to 500 leverage. Yes. So yeah, we'll leave it as it is. No open orders right now. This one's at 1.5. And that is about it for this the midweek review. I do have some other robots I've been testing. Another one that I've bought, it's called Idea Pro Gold. So that's been going really, really well. So the EAs that I'm running live right now is Idea Pro Gold and Baby Shark. Yeah, but not much else. I don't have a whole heap of equity to play with now that I've lost a little bit. With Euro Scalper the last 2 weeks, which was a bit unfortunate because it was actually going really, really well. And then we had that big move up on Euro USD and I lost a little bit of money. It hit my equity EA, and that was where the equity EA actually had a malfunction and it closed all the orders when it shouldn't have, a little bit too early, like 10% too early. So that was really disappointing, but I lost a little bit of money there. So there is another equity thing that you can get, and it's called CAP Equity Guardian. I've also got one of my own that I'm currently developing and testing. It's just a very basic thing, but it can also save your account. So I just want to make sure that it's actually going to work correctly across many different tests, so many different accounts, before I let that one out, because you don't want it to close too early, you don't want it to close late. You kind of rely on it, especially with real money. It's not something to play around with. So that's coming out too. I'm just going to put out a basic website. I think it's just going to be a homepage with all my videos, and then I'll just slowly add to it as I go. Also developing my own robots. They're going quite well. So we'll see what happens there, but essentially it is uses a parabolic SAR for entry, and then uses an algorithm to help it out if it goes into a loss. But otherwise it has been going quite well. The only thing is it doesn't scale too well, so you essentially start on 0.01 or 0.02 lot sizes, and I've got to fix up the multiplier. But that is it from me for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video, got some insight, and have a look at how these EAs work, all 12 of them. And yeah, I'll look forward to seeing you all for the whole week review video, which I'll do soon. And yeah, I'll also put out a backtest on Signals Pro 007, a visual backtest so you can watch it trade. If you want to see more of that, or if you've got any robots that you'd like to see me do that with, just flick me a comment down below. Hit me up in Telegram or Discord. I do try and get back to you as best I can. As soon as I can. Just keep in mind I am working and I am a dad, so time is very minimal for me to be able to do all this, but I'm doing as best I can, and I hope you enjoy what I'm up to. So awesome things coming soon. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and smash the like button. It really helps me out, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.